Hey guys, what's up? So today, as you can see, we got the Beast class. You guys, a lot of you have saw this hang on the wall, and most have never seen it fly. So we're gonna get out here today. We have the HQ 9x4x3 props. I believe that's what they were. Yes, 9x4x3s. So I used to run 10-inch props on there. You saw my review on these, the male call. So they're not aggressive as the 10-inch, but we got this puppy up and running. Had a solder blob underneath here. Man, it was causing issues. It didn't want to chime in. It was chiming in like muffled. And then when I started the motor, one motor was gone. Like, oh, no. So we got it all ready to go. I got video, just put a new cam onto there with a different lens. I got a used lens on there I put on there. So I had to rotor ride that GoPro one. So y'all see, yeah, I got my steel antennas on. Gotta get that in, right? Everyone knows what I want to say, but I can't. So yeah, there it is. It's massive. You can see the footprint of it. I don't know if that shows, but it's huge. It's gonna show it against my radio, but so anyway, let's go ahead and see how these props do. I'm hoping, I've been told that they fly better on 9-inch props, and that's what I'm hoping, because I haven't been flying it due to the reason of pro props cost you $20 a set. And then I was like, well, I want to get some 9-inch, and we know how that is. It's, you never end up ordering them and getting them. So Zong, I appreciate you. We're definitely gonna put them to the test. Thank you so much for sending me 3 sets. It gets this guy back in the air again, and then shows you guys out there what the 9-inch HQs are about. We all run. You saw the video of the juicy ones. Wow, dude, if these things run anything close to those J37s, whew, I'm gonna be in heaven. I will not go stupid on this because it's gonna have my Hero 9 on it for one. Yes, we will have hyper smooth on, I will admit that for you. And then yeah, we're recording. I got everything on the front turned off. So yes, it will be hyper smooth, just normal, no super duper thing. It does fly pretty straight, to be honest with you, but it does need a little tuning. So I'm gonna see what these props do for it. I did it on 10-inch. Everyone will tell you it flew pretty damn good for Betaflight 4.6, I think I have onto it, something like that. Most do iNav on this because it's easier. So from what I've been told anyway. So anyway, let's shut up. Let's get it in the air. Massive to man, this thing. Holy shit, handles this thing is a beast. Exactly what it says it is. I got my antenna back here vibrating all around on me. Guess I didn't tighten that down tight enough. That's one thing you'll see with this guy.
Telemetry lost.
You'll have a sheet vibrating all over the place, and it flies damn good with these props. Like, I used to have my motors like are barely warm. We'll turn the D up a little bit. It's analog, so I might get an HD unit put in this thing. As you can see, I start to get ballsy towards the end with it at low battery, which is a no-no. But man, I'm telling you, it's something with these props. Why did I ever get away from HQ and go to Gemfan? I can't answer that question, but this got the Foxeer toothless camera into it. We're running the Xing 22 or 23 or 28 14s. I don't know what they are. They're 28 14s. I'm sorry, 28 14 1100 kV motors. Running the HQ 9x4x3. I like them, and it's chilly out here, and they still bend. I like that. On the, I'm wanting to say they're master air screws. On them, what happened was they're too thick. So when I went around a corner, the quad was like, oh, 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 you know, and you hear it. You'd hear the resonance of the prop. These guys, I'm on to something. I'll do a little bit of tuning. Me and Doc will get on this thing because I want Doc to listen, because Doc is real good at listening for tuning. We're gonna dial this bitch in, and we're gonna be bringing this out to some meetups and shit. So I got another pack I should run through, I guess. Tell me the camera lasted. Okay, the battery is gone. Okay, battery's over there. I did a boo-boo on the top frame. I strapped into the fucking things. Oh, that was a hard hit. Broke two props. So, you see right here, I'll just put the strap under that. I should have not put it on them ribs. I should have known better than that. It's a tough ass top plate though, that's what I thought, you know. But, and that was already loose. Looks like we just dinged up some motors. We'll get that straight, get all that dirt out of there. Boy, was that a hit. You guys felt that. You guys were on board with that. Is everybody okay? Huh? Hey, I never said I was a pro out here. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll check you.